Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel Tech Treatment. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my iPhone X and how to install a new battery. So if your device is the iPhone X, XS, XS Max or the XR, this video applies to all of them, and the method to installing the battery is pretty much identical on all four of these devices. As far as all the parts and tools that I use, the battery, screwdrivers and everything, I'll have them listed down below in my description box. So if you guys also need any one of these parts, you can check it out down below in the description. We're going to start off by opening these two screws. Once the two screws are off, we're going to grab our two mini suction tools and basically put them towards the left side of the device. Push it down, and you might be good with just one, and you're slowly just going to pull up. You should be able to see a small gap between the screen and the body itself, just like that. And then with the thin part of the pick, we're going to go into this little gap, just like that. We're in, and then slowly start gliding the pick all the way across. And I can't emphasize this enough, you got to be very careful while you're doing this. If you dig in too deep, if you apply too much pressure, you will end up damaging your phone, and it will end up costing you a lot more than just a battery replacement. So please be very careful while you're sliding around this, because the screens on this is very expensive, the logic board, cables, everything's very delicate on this phone. And basically what we're doing is that there's some adhesive tape seal around the outer border, and we're just cutting right through it. If your iPhone device has already been opened up before, then the adhesive tape is not going to be there. So this iPhone has been opened up before, that's why there's not adhesive on the side, so it's a little bit easier to cut through it. And one tip I have for you guys is when you're getting close to the power button, is make sure that you don't put in the pick all the way, because all the cables and connections are close to this power button. And then you're going to flip it up, basically going to open up like a book, just like this. And right underneath you're going to be revealed to a lot of different cable connectors. And as you guys are seeing on this particular iPhone, the battery was already removed, it was defective. So I got my hands on it, got a brand new battery, and decided why not install a new battery and show you guys how easy it is. So the cable connector is right here for the battery, and that's why it's not here, because the battery is not installed. And then all you do is basically flip up the cable, and then there's some adhesive around the bottom border. You just start twisting it and pull the battery off. It's very simple and straightforward. But once that's out of the way, we're going to grab our new battery, remove these protective stickers, and be very gentle and careful. This battery starts folding up. If you end up creasing it or folding it too much, it might end up cracking, and you're going to end up needing a new battery again. So be very careful. As you guys see, it does fold up. So I'm going to gently take it to my device. So the second I remove the battery, it's right here, and on the bottom side, these white pieces is the adhesive. So once you're going to sit it down, make sure you put it in correctly, because you can't keep lifting up the battery. And then once it's aligned, just gently push it down so the adhesive sticks to the body. And then as you guys are seeing right here, these gold pins down here is the connection to the logic board, and here's the flex cable that comes out of our new battery. And then you're going to just seat it down correctly, and then basically give it a good push, and then reinstall the bracket if your phone had one. Again, this iPhone that I received did not have that part because it was already taken apart, but this is basically how you install the battery. And now all you're going to do is close up the iPhone just like a book, and be very gentle and careful while you're closing this. You don't want to end up damaging your screen or any other internal parts in your iPhone. But once it's all aligned, you're going to just gently push it all the way down, and it should all lock into place. and then remove your little suction tool from the screen and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. And let's power it up. Okay, that's a very good sign. We see the Apple logo. That means we are getting power to our iPhone, but let's see if it boots up, and yes it does. And now this iPhone X is basically back to life. This replacement was a success, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy installation of a new battery on your iPhone device. And like always, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button. But if this video didn't help you guys out, please drop a comment down below so we can figure out a solution and also help others out as well. Again, I really appreciate you guys checking out my channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another tech video. Thank you.